How have you been? We haven't talked in ages.
We talked this morning.
I can't stop thinking about you. What's on your mind right